how to make a Game Pass in Roblox. Please donate. Add Game Pass to please donate Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the simple steps on how you can go ahead and create a basic please donate Game Pass. Okay, so to allow yourself to basically make a please donate Game Pass, first of all, you're going to go into please donate. Now, once you're into please donate, basically over here, they're going to give you the different, options to create something on please donate. Now, this is basically please donate where people actually gather donations for themselves. It's the most famous server when it comes to, sending people donations. So it's really simple. Now, to allow yourself to go to the, whatnots, you're going to come into create. And once you come into create, what you're going to do from here is you're going to come to here. It's going to say start creating and all. Now, what you're going to do over here is you're going to click on manage my content. And once you click on manage my content, it's going to bring you to the different creations and contents that you have. And or you can just go to your creator.roblox.com dashboard, which is going to be right here. Now, once you're over here, to make a Game Pass for yourself, what you're going to do from here is you're going to come on the left hand side where you're going to get all the details for your work and your different things that you've created. And you are going to want to make sure to go ahead and find your associated items. So to go to your associated items, basically you're going to want to make sure to go into your different creations dashboard. So basically, let's say I'm going to come to creations over here. And once you're in creation, it's going to give you this default creation. So I'm going to go into this default creation. Now, again, once you're over here, from here on out, again, as I stated, you are going to want to make sure to get a view of your associated items. Now, obviously, this whole view that I'm getting, it's basically a brief overview. And in your associated items, you are going to be allowed to create a pass. Now, in the case you don't get associated items, you can ask the people at Roblox to fix that for you. But the associated items should basically be around this section down here. Okay, now, once you've gotten your associated items, you can even use the access settings, to be honest, to go through it. But yeah, once you've gotten your associated items over there, it's going to ask you to create a pass, and you're just going to create a pass and then implement it into your Roblox store, and things should be good to go for you. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. That's how you're going to create a Game Pass for Please Donate. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.